should be, I think, better.
And it should, and it's not too sort of technical, as you can see. It's almost, I can pull it off. Maybe you want to make sure you get every, you remove all the air gaps, or the air from the. Look at that, masterpiece, mashallah. Look at that. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a interesting recipe for you. She's making a fig cake, so enjoy the ride, and if you like the video, please like, and if you haven't subscribed, please be our guest. So first of all, she starts off with a greased pan. You grease it up with some butter or any kind of fat, and she's put in some brown sugar at the base of it, just a little bit, just to sort of lubricate the base, and to act as a sort of a as a base for the fig, basically, so it doesn't really stick to the bottom, and it really helps caramelize the fig. So after you've laid the brown sugar, you start layering all your figs at the base of it. Just want to show off my figs. They are beautiful, if I do say so myself. Look at the color, like ruby red. That's the Bujaset Nai, I believe, that black one. The white Adriatic is the green one. And you keep layering the base of the pan. And now she's cubing up some of my precious figs, poor things. That cake better be good. So she's cubing these up to put them inside the cake, inside the batter of the cake, while this one is for the bottom, the base of the cake. So you're gonna get figs wherever you go. Every bite must have figs. They look like Wagyu. Look at the marble. Is that 9+ marble at least? And now it's time for the cake batter. You start by cracking 3 eggs. Half a cup of sugar, just plain white sugar.
And you beat it until it gets
and
pale in
you
color.
start beating it until it becomes pale in color. That's pale in color. This is the consistency you're looking for. Nice and pale and fluffy. And that's done.
Now we'll
Okay, so basically what's going in the cake and the batter is, just to give you a quick rundown, is melted butter. So basically here's the ingredients that are going into the cake. You got walnuts, lemon zest, melted butter, some vanilla essence, and ricotta cheese, which is going in first. So you can imagine these flavor combos, they're just out of this world. 250 gram of ricotta cheese, half a cup of melted butter, and you just whisk them together. So this is certainly one way of making the most out of your produce, especially if you got excess amount of produce, you don't know what to do with it. I mean, you can only eat so much fresh figs, and you can only give away so much. So you start sort of using up your produce in foods and desserts, cakes, preserves. It's an awesome way to sort of use up all these produce, these fresh fruits and veggies or whatever you have in the garden.
And 1 cup, 1 3/4 cup of flour.
So you sift 1 1 3/4 cups of flour, just plain flour. So you drop in the zest of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor or vanilla essence, and then you start whisking. So don't over whisk it, guys. I basically just want to incorporate the ingredients that we added earlier. That's all you wanted to do with that whisking. Now she adds half a
2 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons.
half a juice of lemon, or roughly about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Not too much, just to give it that tang.
And you fold in.
Now you fold in the walnuts and the my Wagyu looking figs.
Should be a thick batter.
And it should be a thick batter. That's the type of cake recipe or cake batter this is. It's not your airy, fluffy, cloud-like type of cake. It's a sort of moist, dense type of cake. That's the sort of recipe this is. But it's a delicious, absolutely delicious cake. And it's not too sort of technical, as you can see. It's you know, almost, I can pull it off, maybe. No, it's actually very simple. So you lay the batter on top. Oh wow, look at the colors coming through. And you just you spread it nice and evenly all throughout the cake pan. Yeah, you want to make sure you get every you remove all the air gaps or the air from the pan, and to fill up every corner. Okay, she also added half a teaspoon of baking powder, which I forgot to record, into the batter, and straight into a preheated oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius
40 to 45 minutes.
for 40 to 45 minutes. So after roughly 40 minutes, she checks it for see how done it is. So she pokes a toothpick in there. Nothing sticks, means it's done. Looks delicious actually. Can't wait to eat it. Look at that. Masterpiece, mashallah. Look at that. You got the red figs, you got the amber figs, the green figs. It's all happening. You can even see it through the sides. Look at my babies come through. You've done a good job. You've done them justice, I must admit. Nice, nice. There she is. It's a delicious fig cake. Nice and moist. Fruity. Amazing with a cup of coffee. Bismillah.
Delicious. And the walnuts gives it a good crunch.
Still a bit wonky.
Excellent cake. Amazing. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.